undeck the halls together. I love Christmas, but I'm ready for a clean, simple home, so let's undeck the halls. I'm literally editing right now, and tell me why there's a piece of styrofoam stuck to my ass the whole video. Yep, it's a little white spot on my right butt cheek, and I just can't edit it out, so yay. My lighting kind of sucks. I opened this window to see if it would help. It kind of did, but it's just so dark in this corner, so bear with me. But all my ornaments are off. Now I need to disassemble the tree, take the tree skirt off, and the tree topper. I found my tree bag. Why was that so difficult? Now I need to carry it upstairs, and this tree weighs at least 50 pounds. It's not light, and it's like my whole body. Yeah. All my ornaments, tree topper. I'm gonna put actually I might be able to fit, this is part of the tree, but I was not messing with that tree bag anymore, so that's just gonna sit in here. I'm just gonna put this on top for now. If there ends up being room in my big bin, I'll add it, but why am I out of breath? This Christmas stuff is no joke. I have some extra bags and wrapping just in case I need to wrap anything that is breakable. Now anything that is Christmas, I'm going to be putting it on my dining room table. That way it's all just right here, and then I will package it up. I'm in the moment where I didn't realize how much Christmas stuff I had until I took it all down, because this is what my dining room table currently looks like. Pillows, stockings, bigger items. This whole table is full. This is some new stuff. I have stuff right there. I have stuff in the kitchen. All that has to fit in one box. Correct. I only have one tote, so. Everything is packed up. Now up the stairs I go with all of this Christmas stuff. Oh wait, yeah, that. As you guys can see, I'm in the middle of putting the rest of my normal decor out. I don't have enough for my house, but my mom's going through all of her stuff and I should get more stuff like by this weekend. So then I will probably add on to this vlog and show you guys me like putting that stuff out. But my house is a wreck still, so I need to keep going. I got this cute little runner. I thought it would look cute. I'm not really sure why it's on a metal hanger. What is going on? There we go. Perfect, that's so cute. Okay, so basically I have done everything that I can. All the Christmas stuff is gone. I did find one thing. I hate that. You always find one thing after everything is packaged and put back in its place. The lighting sucks because it's literally like, it's only 5:45, but it is dark out. But I'm just gonna do a little overview of what I decorated, and then I will re-see you guys sometime this weekend when I get more stuff from my mom and finish decorating. Cue the montage.
I'm starting to feel away. No, we were not strings attached. Maybe we could take that back, make it what it isn't. I wanna be with you. We just get along so well. Want you, baby, to my side. You know we get together, but we pass it up. I think I want forever. Maybe we find some luck. Maybe we find some love. Maybe it's all us. But am I crazy for trying? I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you.
Hello you guys, it is now Sunday. Last time you saw me was on Thursday when I undecorated the house. But I didn't get a lot of decorations from my mom. I do have them sitting over there, but it's nothing like worth showing, I feel like. So I'm just gonna show you what I got at the grocery store, and then my fitness coach has a healthier, like rocky road that I'm going to make. And I thought I would bring you guys along. So I'm gonna show you everything I got from Walmart. I wish you guys could see what you're stacked on. You're literally stacked on my 3 canisters. I got just some asparagus. We're gonna have like steak and asparagus for dinner. And then I cannot go a day without berries. I love berries. Anything berries, throw Splenda on them. Oh, my cat has its annoying toy. I don't know why I ever got him that. Egg beaters, just a healthier substitute than like a whole egg, save some calories. And then Faye Total 0% yogurt. I'm using this for the rocky road, but I normally use this for like a yogurt bowl or something. 2% American cheese. My boyfriend got some gummies. And then for the rocky road, I got Oreo Thins. And then I got a bunch of zero sugar chocolate. There's York Peppermint Patty, Reese's, Hershey's, and Hershey's dark chocolate. Mini marshmallows. My boyfriend got ramen. I wish I could eat ramen, but it's just not good for me at all. I got some of my real good chicken nuggets. These are like honestly the GOAT. 3 bags of cauliflower rice. We got some mini golden potatoes just for like a side with like steak, chicken, pork chops, anything. I also cook these for my lunch sometimes. a bunch of mini Kinder like sauces. They never have the kinds we want in the big bottle. And I also bought some stuff that I wanted to try. My all-time favorite is their buttery buffalo. Is it gonna focus? There we go. Buttery buffalo. So we got 3 of those. And then I got just a teriyaki, a hickory brown sugar, and a hot honey one. So Kinder's is really good, really low calorie. Fits in my macros really good. My boyfriend got his Red Bulls, and then I normally drink like Alani's. They were white. They didn't even have like the nasty flavors. There were none, but they did have the new like Bloom sparkling energy drinks. And normally they're only found at Target, but my Walmart had them. I don't know how many flavors there are, but they only had 4. So I got raspberry lemon, cherry lime, and then peach mango and juicy orange. They're literally like adorable. And they should be good, so I'm gonna try them out. We got some mustard, some light mayo. I love mayo. And then we got some Black Forest ham for my boyfriend's lunches, and then he loves Pop-Tarts, so we're trying these Pop-Tart bites for him. He should like them. And then a bunch of Special K protein bars. I also eat these. They're really good, and they're not as filling as like a barbell protein bar. And then I got Fiber One brownie chocolate fudge bars for the Rocky Road. And then my boyfriend got 4 more packs of beef ramen. That is my Walmart haul. Our total was, I think, $170.82. Yikes! But it's not that bad, I guess. We did get a lot of shite. So I'm going to put all this away, clean up the kitchen a little bit because it is disastrous. And then we're gonna make the Rocky Road and hopefully try it tonight because we're going over to my boyfriend's parents' house for chicken and waffles. So it should be done by the time we get home, I hope, because I really want to try it. One thing I'm buying myself in 2025 is a camera tripod. Like, this is what you guys are on right now. Sometimes I have to stack this one on top of these, but then I want it to be angled so you can kind of see what I'm doing like this, but I don't have that option yet. This is on TikTok if you want to look at the recipe and make it. Her name's Kelly Story. This is what she looks like. I love her. Like, Kelly, if you're watching this video, love you. It's just a low calorie, higher protein Rocky Road recipe. She uses some stuff that I don't have. Like, I'm trying to finish up all my protein powder before I buy the protein powder she uses. and it takes a long time to finish protein powder. I have 3 bins. So I'm just gonna use what I have. It should still taste good, but I'm going to have to listen to this as I work. So I'm just gonna make a little montage video of me making this, and then I will come back when it's completely finished. And again, her name's Kelly Story. If you want to make any yummy recipes that are low calorie and high protein that made me lose 20 pounds. And I leave work. I wish you could literally smell this right now. Now you're supposed to transfer into a different pan and like spray it. I kind of just want to use this, but I might just put it in a huge pan and only put it in like half the pan because I don't have a small enough pan. Okay, so this is the only size pan I have. I need like half of it, so I'm just gonna try. Okay, I'm gonna try and just put it in like half the pan and see how it goes. It's pretty thick, so I feel like it shouldn't necessarily run. It's just like fitting this whole thing in the freezer might be a little challenging. Okay, now I'm just gonna like smush it down a little bit, make it into a square, and just hope it stays in a square. Whoa. That's good. Success. I now need to clean up, and my camera's about dead, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, I don't even know what day it is of this vlog. Maybe like day 3. It's now Monday. It is the day after making my rocky road. Literally looks phenomenal. I was gonna eat it last night, but I ended up having dessert at my boyfriend's parents' house, and I didn't want to go over my calories, so I'm going to have this as a pre-work snack. And look, it snowed so much, and it is still snowing. The roads are completely covered, so it's probably going to be a little longer of a drive to work today, but I'm just going to grab, oh my god, would it be like obsessive to cut my rocky road with this, because my huge like bread knife, no, my normal like just huge steak knife is that the right word? Like what kind of knife is that? Anyways, I'm gonna use this. Now it's about, I think, like 139 calories, 8 grams of protein, which isn't terrible for like 9 pieces. So I'm gonna try my best to cut this into 9. Oh my god, it is so rock solid that I don't even think I can eat it and show you guys. Okay, this is not the perfect measurement, but I was able to get it out. I'm going to try it, but this is what it looks like. It honestly looks so good. Oh my god, guys. Oh, it's really cold, but it's really good. I'm gonna let this thaw a little bit more, but ooh. Oh my god, it is so good. That is an absolute 10 out of 10. But if you guys want to try this recipe, really good macros. You can still have sweet treats and lose weight. LOL, the piece that I'm eating. But this will probably last me like a week. If my boyfriend has some, it'll probably last the whole week because there's 9 servings in there. But that is everything for this vlog. It was kind of all over the place. It was like undecorate Christmas with me, redecorate my house after Christmas, a little shopping haul, making this, and then fast forward a couple more days, now I'm finally eating it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you in the next one.